Hey, it's Jusmelah, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. Okay, so my hair is loose, well, in twists. My twists are loose. And I'm going to create these pigtails using these two pieces of cloth. So the first thing you want to do is grab your first piece of cloth, and this is very easy to do. So I bring the cloth behind the hair, and I'm simply going to try and make sure the material is as even as possible on the bottom. And I'm going to tie the cloth. Boom. Now for my set of pigtails, I do want there to be some more volume on this top area. So I'm going to simply just pull some of the hair out a little to just create some volume. Boom. So I'm going to do the other side now. Same process, grab your material. And again, you want to check to make sure the bottom is even. And then I'm also going to check the two sides to make sure the material is at the same height, so that one pigtail isn't cinched lower or higher than the other. And here you can see the difference between this side where I pulled some of the hair out to create a little bit more volume, and this side, which is a little bit more flat. The difference isn't drastic, but you can see there's a difference. And then I'm going to continue to pull some hairs out to get the fullness that I want. And I'm going to leave it as is. Cool. So here my pigtails are done. But I want to do more than this. I like the look, but I don't want this material to just hang out like this. And you could if this is good for you. But I'm going to go further, and I'm going to braid the material into the hair. And once you reach the end, you will tie the hair around the material. So at this point, I'm going to tie because I need enough twist left to tie this securely so that it doesn't come out. So I'm tying this in a knot. Boom. And that's what it looks like. So I'm going to repeat and do the same thing for this. And just braid it. Interesting.
Weeds.
With all that I said about making the pieces even, this side is significantly longer. Even the hairs that I'm braiding it with. So I'm gonna undo this, and I'm not going to readjust the material because it just is what it is. This side is longer. I'm somehow missed that. I'm gonna try and like fluff this a little. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing the material up as I braid it to try and get it to be shorter, so that by the time I finish, it's more even. See, is it working? Hey, I'm smart. It's working. And now I'm going to tie it because I'm running out of hair. And I feel so accomplished because I was able to solve that challenge. And then I tie it. Okay, I'm gonna do it on this side as well. Are these two sides even? They're not. How interesting. And there you have it. You have your cute pigtails. I think this is just a really cute style. I think it's extremely fun and artsy and creative. And there's a lot of expression in this hairstyle. I'm having fun with it, and I encourage you to do the same. That's it for today's tutorial. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it, and please comment any questions you have, any comments if you liked what you saw. Leave a comment down below. I love to reply and just see that people are watching, and I want your feedback. You can follow me on Instagram as well. It's the same name, Jusmelah. I'm on Instagram. Follow me there. I'd love to see you. And that's it. Ciao.